Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths S1. In today's video, we will see a past paper question on probability. And I'm sure you will find it very interesting and new type of question. It's a past paper question. You can see here my website address and my blog address. To view more videos, you can refer to these sites. So let's start with the question. By the way, whatever is written on the screen, I have copied down just the values from the question. It is not the solved question. We will solve it right now. So in this question, we are talking about two identical biased triangular prism and numbers written on it are 1, 2, 3, right? And these spinners will be spun. For each spinner, the probability of landing on side 1, 2, 3 is PQR. So probability is given to you, and this is what I have written here. The probability of getting 1 is P, probability of getting 2 is Q, and probability of getting 3 is R. So this is given to us in the question. The score is the sum of the number. Now we are talking about here sum. So I have drawn this possibility diagram here. I haven't filled it. So this is representing, for example, one spinner, and this is representing other spinner. And what we are talking about here, sum of the number obtained. So I'm not filling up these boxes. Let's read the question. So the numbers on which the spinner stop. You are given that probability of score 6 is 1 upon 36. So it is, I have written here, the probability of scoring 6 is 1 over 36 and probability of scoring 5 is 1 over 9. So this is what I have written here, and we have to find out the value of P, Q and R. Now what comes in your mind? So first of all, let's see how can we get sum 6. So it is understood that if you will get 3 and 3, right, only then the sum will be 6. There is no other possibility. Okay. Achha, by the way, you can solve this question without possibility diagram also. I have just drawn here for a quick reference. Okay, so probability of scoring, let's talk about the first part first. Probability of scoring 6 is 1 over 36, and it is due to getting what? 3 and 3. On both the spinner, when 3 and 3 will come, then the probability will be 1 over 36. But what is the probability of getting 3? It is given to in the question. It is R times R. So for both the 3's, the probability is R times R, which is equals to 1 over 36, right? So it will be R square equals to 1 over 36. If you take a square root on both sides, it will be R over. Achha, by the way, you will not write here plus minus. Probability is between the domain 0 to 1. I'm sure you know this thing. So that's why negative value will not be considered here. Okay, so I got R here. Now let's see this part. Probability of scoring 5 is 1 over 9. Now how you will get 5? Where spinner will stop? One possibility is that on one spinner it is 2 and on the other spinner it is 3. This is one case. So let me write here, probability of score 5 is 1 over 9, and that is possible. Just let me draw a line here. If you get 2 on one spinner and 3 on the other, or on the first one you get 3 and the other one you get 2, and this is the other possibility. So it is 3, 2 or 3, 2. 2, 3 and 3, 2, right? Now, what is the probability of getting 2? It is Q. And what is the probability of getting 3? It is R. So it means it is QR, or will change into plus sign, or RQ, right? So according to algebra, RQ and QR is same thing. So I can write 2RQ. Okay, let me change the color. So it will be 2RQ equals to 1 over 9. We have just found the value of R here. It is 1 upon 6. So let's substitute the value here. And we can easily calculate the value of Q. Can I simplify it? Sorry, this is 9 by the way. So it is 3 upon 9, which is equals to 1 upon 3. So I got the value of R. I got the value of Q. How will I get the value of P, by the way? What comes in your mind? You must know that spinner has 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, right? So sum of all these probability should be equal to what? 1. So here the concept you will apply, you will write the sum of all the probabilities, right? Sum of all the probabilities is equals to what? 1. So you can write P plus Q plus R equals to 1 and plug in the values and you will get it. Right, so you can use calculator and your answer will come. Because I'm using calculator, answer is half. So this is how you will find out the probabilities of PQR. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'm sure you have learned and you must have liked this question. It was a little different. Please share it with your friends and press like and subscribe button. Take care. Bye.